In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change themes in Yahoo Mail. If you want your inbox to feel a little more personal or easier on the eyes, changing the theme is a quick way to do it, and I'll walk you through both the fast option and the full settings page so you can pick what works best for you. First, open your browser and go to yahoo.com. In the top right corner, select Sign In and log into your Yahoo account. Once you're signed in, click the mail or envelope icon in the upper right area to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. On the right side of your inbox, look for the settings gear. Click that to open the quick settings panel. This is the fastest way to update your theme. In this panel, you'll see theme previews. Click any preview to apply it instantly and notice how your inbox updates right away. You can choose a simple color theme if you want something clean and consistent, or select one of the built-in images if you prefer a background with a bit of personality. Take a moment to see how your folders and message list look with each option. If readability is your priority, pick a color with strong contrast. If you work at night or in low light, a darker option can reduce eye strain. If you want more control, scroll to the bottom of the quick settings panel and click More Settings. This opens the full settings page. In the left sidebar, choose Appearance. Here, you'll find the same theme choices laid out in a dedicated area, which can make it easier to compare your options. Again, you can select a color-based theme for a clean, minimal look, or choose from Yahoo's built-in images for a more decorative background. As you click around, the changes apply immediately, so you can see exactly how your inbox will look. Below the theme previews, you can also choose the overall intensity of the interface. Select light for a bright, traditional look, medium for a balanced option that softens whites and reduces glare, or dark for a deeper interface that's great in dim environments. If any text feels hard to read, switch to a lighter theme or a higher contrast color. There's no save button here. Yahoo Mail updates your theme automatically. If something doesn't change right away, refresh the page. And remember, you can switch themes anytime, so don't be afraid to experiment until your inbox feels just right. That's it. Enjoy your refreshed Yahoo Mail look.